Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious stuffed shells with crab that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare this delicious stuffed shells. These are the ingredients: salt, black pepper, garlic powder, corn, crab, cream cheese, the shells, scallions, and of course panko. This is everything we need to enjoy these stuffed shells at home. So let's get started.
I am going to start with the cream cheese. The cream cheese is at room temperature. I took it out of the refrigerator 2 hours before making this recipe. Here I'm going to add the spices, which is garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. And I'm adding 1 teaspoon of each. Once you add these ingredients, then you are ready to go ahead and incorporate it really good. Just make sure you take your cream cheese out of the refrigerator so it's easy to blend, easy to smooth out, and all the ingredients are going to incorporate perfectly. I am going to add to this mixture 1 cup of corn. Add the corn, incorporate it really good, making sure that everything is nice and coated with the cream cheese. This is a very easy and delicious recipe. I am sure you're going to love it. Look at this. Once everything is incorporated, then we are ready to continue with our scallions. Of course, the scallions, you're going to slice them really good, making sure that they're nice and cut, diced very small, so that they incorporate really good with the rest of the ingredients. If you have little ones at home, they could help you mix everything in the bowl. And here I have the crab meat. You could pull it apart, or you could use 2 forks to start pulling it apart. After you pull it apart, you are going to dice it really good, making sure that everything is really diced in small little pieces. So when you enjoy them, you could taste every single ingredient. Well, here I am going to continue pulling it apart, helping myself with 2 forks, and let's see if this is gonna help. I did it with 1 fork. It didn't work at all, and now I am ready to use 2 forks. Let's see if this is going to help. Well, here I'm gonna start shredding all the crab meat, and then I'll see you when I am dicing away with the knife. I know this is time consuming, but let me tell you, these stuffed shells come out delicious. Well, here I am dicing away with the knife, making sure that I have all the little pieces before I incorporate it into the rest of the ingredients. Look how this looks. Okay, let's add it into the rest of the ingredients. And I am sure you're going to love these stuffed shells. You could enjoy them just like that, or you could add some steamed rice and enjoy these stuffed shells. Once everything is incorporated, look how creamy this looks. It's not runny, it's really creamy. Here I am going to add the panko crumb bread. I'm going to add it in here. It's really crispy. You don't need to add any seasoning to the panko bread. Here I have my shells. You could buy your shells at Amazon and then just stuff your shells. Be very generous with the filling. Stuff them really good, and then just add about a teaspoon of the panko right on the top. Start putting them in your baking dish one at a time. They're gonna go in the oven 450 Fahrenheit for 18 minutes until they come out really golden brown from the top and the panko is really extra crispy. Look how easy this is. This is a delicious recipe, an easy recipe. Very few ingredients that I'm sure you're going to love. Once you have all your shells stuffed really good, then take it to the oven 450, only 18 minutes. Of course, every oven is different, but when they come out, you are really going to enjoy them. Here I'm going to add just a little bit of the baking spray on the top so that the panko gets nice and crispy and gets that amazing golden brown color. Here I'm taking them out of the oven and look at this. They're really crispy from the top, really golden brown, and I can't wait to enjoy. My home smells amazing. I am going to enjoy it with steamed rice. On the steamed rice, I am going to add some soy sauce and chili oil sauce. I'll see you in a bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing recipe. Stuffed shells. Look at this. I am going to enjoy it with some steamed rice. Nice and crunchy from the top. And the flavor, amazing. I hope, my friends, you could enjoy this amazing recipe with Cooking with Gloria. When you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. This delicious and easy recipe. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these stuffed shells made at home with lots of love. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.